Hello everyone. Now let's start the next portion of the chapter, testing the hypothesis about the variance. Here is the formula, page number 327. Chi square equals to n minus 1 into s square upon population variance. See, it will be denoted as a chi square. Degree of freedom will be n minus 1. Here we will use some different table. Table number A.8 is given at the last of this book. Exercise number 9.5, sum number 9.31. Test each of the following hypotheses by using the given information. Assume the population are normally distributed. Right? First question is given where population variance equals to 22 or it is greater than 22, and rest of the things are given. H0 population variance equals to 22, H1 population variance is greater than 22, alpha 0.05, n equals to 15, s square equals to 32. So your degree of freedom will be n minus 1, 15 minus 1. So firstly we are going to check the chi square table value. At 0.05 alpha level, degree of freedom is 14. So this is your chi square table, A.8 table in the textbook. Here our degree of freedom is 14 and alpha is 0.05. So our value for the table value is 23.6848. Right, where the degree of freedom is 14 and alpha is 0.05. So our calculated value formula is n minus 1 into s square upon population variance. So 15 minus 1 into 32 divide with 22. So that is 14 into 32 divide with 22. So your value is 20.36. So here again you have to compare the things. Chi square calculated and chi square tabular. Calculated value is 20.36. Table value is 23.68. So table value is more. So H0 is accepted. Option B, H0 population variance equals to 9, H1 population variance is not equals to 9, alpha 0.10, n equals to 20, s square equals to 18. Right? Here you have to split the alpha, so that is 0.05. Degree of freedom will be 20 minus 1, 19. So chi square value 0.05, 19. So this is again chi square table, 0.05 and 19 is your degree of freedom. So the table value is 30.1435. Right, at the 19. Now chi square calculated equals to n minus 1 into s square upon population variance. So n minus 1, 20 minus 1, 19 into 18 divide with 9. So it is 38. So chi square calculated, chi square tabular. 38 here, 30.1435. So calculated value is more, so H0 is rejected. Option C, right, this one. H0 population variance equals to 49, H1 population variance is less than 49. Alpha 0.01, n equals to 9, s equals to 4.5. So degree of freedom will be n minus 1, 9 minus 1, so that is 8. So chi-square value 0.01 and degree of freedom is 8. So here is your column 0.01 and degree of freedom is 8. So your answer is 20.0902. So chi-square equals to n minus 1 into s square upon population variance. 9 minus 1, that is 8. Here s square nahi, but s is given, so 4.5 into raised to 2 divide by 49. So your answer will be 3.3061. So chi-square calculated, chi-square tabular. Calculated value is 3.3061, tabular is 20.0902. So tabular value is more, so H0 is failed to reject, or we can say accepted. And the last one, D, H0 population variance equals to 6, H1 population variance not equals to 6. Alpha 0.05 split કરશો એટલે 0.025, n equals to 12, s square 1.1. So degree of freedom will be 11. So chi-square 0.025, degree of freedom is 11. So your degree of freedom is 0.025 and degree of freedom, your probability alpha is 0.025 and degree of freedom is 11. So your value is 21.9200. So chi-square calculated value will be n minus 1 into s square upon population variance. N minus 1, that is 11, into s square 1.1 upon population variance 6. So that is 2.0167. So chi-square calculated, chi-square tabular. Calculated value 2.0167, table value 21.9200. So table value is more, so H0 is accepted.